Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to manually enter transaction on YNAB. You can manually enter transaction in YNAB using various methods. So here I'm going to show you the quickest and the easiest method, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open the YNAB application from the app drawer and also make sure that you're signed into your account. Now, from the main homepage, go ahead and select a specific account where you'd like to add a transaction on. Now, go ahead and select one of the area where you'd like to add the transaction. Here I'm just going to add a transaction for my rent and mortgage. So in order to add the transaction, go ahead and press hold to the category and then tap on add transaction in the pop-up. Now go ahead and mention the transaction that previously occurred and select the rest of the information such as choosing pay, category, account, and date. Finally, after filling in all of the details, click on save and you will be able to manually enter transaction on YNAB. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.